The times when managing assets within the utilities, oil and gas, and other asset-intensive industries was considered time-intensive, rigorous, scrupulous, paper-centric are behind us. Now it all happens with the power of a single click. eSolutions, a division of Midas Group, develops diverse enterprise business solutions for clients from many industries by designing projects and delivering systems focused on process automation and digital transformation. We enable our customers to simultaneously automate proactive decision-making, maximize production uptime, realize enhanced and cognitive decision-making, reduce operating costs, all with our customized and fully automated platform dedicated to spare parts interchangeability records, eSPIR by eSolutions. eSPIR by eSolutions is an online portal for consultants from the asset-intensive industries and contractors that provide asset data, specifications, spare parts listings, preventive maintenance schedules, and more. eSPIR by eSolutions captures and stores real-time data from day one. When acquiring new assets for your organization, you receive data from your contractors and consultants daily during design, procurement, construction, and commissioning. All this real-time data is documented on the eSPIR by eSolutions in a structure such that upon review and approval, the stored records can be transferred automatically to your organization's Enterprise Asset Management (EAM) or Enterprise Resource Planning (ERP) system, with the aim of empowering your workforce and optimizing their output. eSPIR by eSolutions allows the team to access the user-friendly, cloud-based portal from anywhere at any time and integrate with multiple procurement systems and platforms. It provides your project lead access to multiple reports, including cost control and project costs, BOM by equipment, interchange item report, approval sheets, progress tracking, and a comprehensive analysis report for 2 years operational spare parts and costing. We make a difference, for we provide unmatched technology, unique expertise, unparalleled solutions to you and your teams, and put you in absolute control over your business with just one portal, one data. The eSPIR by eSolutions.